If your air conditioner is icing up, we need to check all our system components to make sure we can identify the right cause of our problem. We will guide you to perform a full checklist of the CoolBot settings, the air conditioner, and the room construction. Watch the entire video or jump ahead to the section you are interested in. It is very important that all ice is completely melted in order to troubleshoot your system. In order to do this, turn your air conditioner to the fan-only mode to allow it to defrost. This is the fastest way to defrost your air conditioner. This is better than unplugging your air conditioner from the wall, and it will allow us to know from the beginning if there is a problem with the air conditioner. Important: if your air conditioner is set to fan-only mode or off, but is still plugged into the wall, and the air conditioner keeps icing the fins, then the compressor is stuck in the on position. Try resetting your air conditioner unit from the plug following the manufacturer's instructions, and run again in the fan-only mode. If the problem persists, your air conditioner has an electrical problem related with the main board and needs repair. Let's get started with the CoolBot checks. Is your fin sensor correctly positioned? Make sure that the fin sensor is not installed in a plastic clip in front of the fins of the air conditioner. The fin sensor tip must be touching the fins of the air conditioner. The fin sensor should be only 1/4 inch deep between the lowest and second from lowest horizontal cooling pipes. Make sure that the sensor is touching only the fins and not touching the cooling pipes. If you have noticed that the fins of your air conditioner start icing up from the top down, or in a different spot other than where the fin sensor is positioned, then position your fin sensor to the place where the ice is starting to form on your air conditioner fins. Is the CoolBot displaying a permanent ER message? If there is an ER message on the screen, unplug the room sensor and firmly plug it back 2 or 3 times into the port. If the ER message clears, proceed to perform the sensor's calibration test from this guide. If the ER message persists, unplug the sensor and discard it. Leave the CoolBot without a sensor plugged into the room port. The ER message will display permanently until a new sensor is installed in the room port. This is okay. Your CoolBot will be working on a safety mode in the meantime. Is the CoolBot flashing an EF or ER message and a number? If there is an error message flashing on the screen and the fins light is flashing rapidly, unplug the fin sensor and firmly plug it back 2 or 3 times into the port. If the ER message clears, proceed to perform the sensor's calibration test from this guide. If the error message persists, unplug the sensor and discard it. Grab your room sensor and use it as your fin sensor. Make sure you plug it firmly into the fins port and the tip of the sensor is correctly positioned on the fins of the air conditioner, just like the other sensor was. Leave the CoolBot without a sensor plugged into the room port. An ER message will display permanently until a new sensor is installed in the room port. This is okay. Your CoolBot will be working on a safety mode in the meantime. If there are no errors showing on the CoolBot display, then let's do a last check for calibration of our sensors. Gently grab your fin sensor out of the front of the air conditioner and let it hang next to the room sensor. Toggle between room and fins with the arrows on your CoolBot and compare the temperatures reading on the display. Make sure the indicator light is either on room or fins as you toggle, and that you are not on heater or program. When comparing the readings of your sensors, they should be the same or within 2 degrees Fahrenheit. If they are more than 2 degrees Fahrenheit, compare the readings against a calibrated digital thermometer. Discard the faulty sensor and replace it with a new one. The last component to check on the CoolBot is the heater cable installation. Is the heater cable installed correctly? Do not insulate your heater cable and the air conditioner sensor. Use only the piece of aluminum foil recommended in the installation manual. Insulating the heater cable and air conditioner sensor interferes with the intended operation of the heater cable and increases your chances of a freeze-up. To replace a sensor or a heater cable under the 1-year warranty, just send us an email at support@storeitcold.com with your name and the original order number. To purchase replacement parts, please visit our support page at www.storeitcold.com. Now that we have checked the CoolBot sensors and heater cable, let's take a look at the settings of the CoolBot and make sure that everything is set up correctly. Is the temperature set too low? Make sure the indicator light is on the room position. Press the checkmark button. The current set temperature will blink on the display. Adjust with the arrows if necessary to the desired value. Press the check mark to save. Your CoolBot will go back to display the current room temperature. Is your fin setting too low? Move to the fins position with the right arrow. Make sure the indicator light is on the fins position. Press the check mark button. The current fin setting will blink on the display. The factory fin setting is 1. Most users find best results with a fin setting in between 1 and 4. Adjust with the arrows if necessary to the desired value. Press the check mark to save. Your CoolBot will go back to display the current fin's temperature. After 30 seconds, it will jump back to the room position and display the current room temperature. Is your heater delay set too low? Move to the heater position with the right arrow. Make sure the indicator light is on the heater position. You should see an F for Fahrenheit or a C if you've set up your CoolBot in Celsius. Press the checkmark button 3 times. The current heater setting will blink on the display. The factory heater delay setting is D1. Most users find best results with a heater delay setting in between D1 and D4. Adjust with the arrows if necessary to the desired value. Press the check mark to save. Your CoolBot will go back to display F or C. After 30 seconds, it will jump back to the room position and display the current room temperature. Do you want to reboot your CoolBot and bring it back to its factory settings? Go to our support page at www.storeitcold.com and check out our step-by-step instructional video on how to reboot your CoolBot. If everything is checked OK with the CoolBot and its settings, it is time to check our air conditioner for proper functioning and correct settings. Is your air conditioner set on cool mode, and is your fan set to high speed? If your air conditioner is set on anything other than cool mode, go to the panel of your air conditioner and switch your air conditioner to the cool mode and set your fan speed to high. Is your air conditioner draining correctly? In order for your air conditioner to properly drain towards the back of the unit and to avoid water pooled on the front of the air conditioner where it can start freezing, ensure that the air conditioner is installed level from side to side, and the air conditioner is installed so that it is 1/2 to 1 inch lower in the back than the front. Some air conditioner units have a plug on the back of the unit that must be removed in order for the excess water to drain out. Have you cleaned the fins of your air conditioner recently? This procedure is recommended once a month. Dirty fins on the outside coil drastically reduce cooling power. Dirty fins on the inside coil drastically reduce cooling power and can cause ice-ups. Use a plastic brush with long bristles. Use plain water. Do not use soap. Dunk bristles in water and wipe down the fins, starting at the top and moving to the bottom. Hardware stores also sell coil cleaner. Please follow the manufacturer instructions. Are you using a compatible air conditioner brand with your CoolBot? For a list of supported brands and models, visit our support page at www.storeitcold.com. Note that if you're using a Frigidaire air conditioner that is oversized or that is installed on an empty cooler or during the winter, you may experience freeze-ups or colder temperatures than the set point. The Frigidaire air conditioner has a minimum runtime of 5 minutes, so in a well-insulated cooler, the cooler may go below its set temperature and can cause freeze-up problems. Because of this, we encourage you to use the recommended size air conditioner to reduce the chances of icing up. If your air conditioner running on its own, without the CoolBot connected to the power supply, fails to maintain the room temperature at the air conditioner's lowest temperature setting of 60 Fahrenheit, or If the compressor is constantly running without cycling, but fails to cool the room anymore beyond a certain point, then there is a problem with the air conditioner unit. If this is a new install, then your air conditioner might be too small for the room. Check our website for the correct sizing of air conditioner for your room. If this is a cooler that has previously worked well with the CoolBot and started showing this problem, this means that your air conditioner developed a refrigerant leak and it has lost some of its cooling capability. The air conditioner needs to be replaced. If you haven't found the problem yet, this could be an issue with the room itself. Let's take a look at some of the common problems associated with the room construction. Is your room properly insulated according to our recommendations? We recommend insulating your room all the way around to an R value of at least R25 with rigid foam. Our preferred insulation is at least 4 inches of hard closed cell foam insulation, such as urethane, polystyrene, or polyisocyanurate. We do not recommend fiberglass batt or blown-in insulation. Have you sealed all your cracks and gaps in your room? Make sure the room is airtight by sealing all cracks, gaps, and joints. Spray foam, such as Great Stuff, seals cracks well. All seams should be taped using foil HVAC tape. Inspect for leaks around air conditioner and check your door gaskets. The gaps around the air conditioner should be filled with removable closed-cell foam strips. Is your room too small for the air conditioner you are using? An improperly sized air conditioner unit may be too big to cool your room and exceed the temperature set point, causing possible ice-ups. Reduce the size of your air conditioner if needed. If you aren't sure, check out our air conditioner sizing calculator tool on our website at www.storeitcold.com.